Welcome back to another update. It is 6:37 a.m. and I'm going to do one of these earlier morning quieter videos because starting at 8 in the morning I will be so back to back with meetings today I will never get this out. So it's going to be a quick one. It's going to be a quiet one. Thanks for your patience. In news that I really don't care about, but I think I will point it out, Serena Williams looks to have dropped her Coinbase investment after Activism Row. So remember how the CEO of Coinbase says no more wokeness, no more politics through our work channels? Well, Serena SJW Williams is leaving her investment on the table at Coinbase and pulling out. And I'm so glad CoinDesk got this picture. This woman is so disgustingly ugly. I'm going to now take the time to point out that Alexis Ohanian, the co-founder of Reddit, who is still alive, is the biggest cuck ever. I don't understand why in a million years that dude who has so much money, who could totally marry someone way hotter, chose this behemoth, dude. I mean, it's like a gorilla. He married a gorilla. Anyway, tennis superstar investor Serena Williams may have shed her stake in popular US-based crypto exchange Coinbase, as reported by Business Insider late on Monday. The website of Williams' venture firm no longer displays Coinbase among its portfolio firms. Serena Ventures, a company launched in secret in 2014, first listed the investment in Coinbase in April of last year. Williams also tweeted about the investment at the time. Serena Ventures invests in companies that embrace diverse leadership, individual empowerment, creativity, and opportunity. If indeed her VC firm has divested its stake in Coinbase, it may come as a result of a recent statement by Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, who effectively banned employee activism at the exchange. She said the firm would focus solely on its financial mission. Cool. We already know that. We'll see how it goes. Let's see. Bitcoin prices surged pretty hard last night, which is great. If we take a look at the prices, whoa. Since the time of writing that article, Bitcoin has already dropped pretty significantly. 2%, lost pretty much all the gains. I think we were sitting a little bit over this price yesterday. Of course, I'm not shook. I've seen this happen a million times. I think the fact that it did pump to 11.7K last night is pretty awesome. And I don't think that'll be the last time that happens this year. If we're taking a look at other coins. Let me see here. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. Let me just kind of scroll down. Nothing too fancy. Same kind of sideways movement. In the past 24 hours, the prime cryptocurrency seemed to have issues with its price performance. Okay, it bottomed at 11,200. However, the bulls intercepted the move and initiated an impressive leg up. So it fell to this price last night, and then it went up to 700. And now it's back down. From this point forward, Bitcoin has to fight off the resistance lines at 11,600, 750, 910 before potentially challenging the psychological $12,000 level. You always get these articles about price news. It's mostly useless, but it's good to kind of keep an eye on. Let's check out precious metals. Gold dipped back below $1,900, and silver is looking to dip below 24 pretty soon. Nothing really exciting about that. We kind of know that that's been the deal since I started these videos. Let me just kind of pull out my stock portfolio here off screen. We're down in the first 10 minutes of the market being open, but man, we shot up so far yesterday that I'm still doing pretty well just from yesterday. Let's see. Though everything's kind of lurching downwards, the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ is up though, so that's interesting. And then the IMF raises the growth forecast for 2020 in the latest global economic report. Global economic outlook looks slightly better than expected as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, raises its growth forecast for this year and next. Tuesday, in its World Economic Outlook, the IMF said that it does see global economy contracting at 4.4% this year, up slightly higher from its June forecast. IMF is more optimistic about global growth, but it's also warned that recovery could be long, uneven, and uncertain. We are projecting, quote, a somewhat less severe, though still steep recession in 2020 relative to our June forecast. Okay. The United States economy is set to fall by 4.3% this year, much better than the 8% contracted predicted in June. Meanwhile, the Eurozone's economy is expected to contract by 8.3% in 2020, an improvement from a 10.2% contraction forecast in June. Cool. All right, well, that's nice. And I know this was a short and kind of worthless update, but it's all I really had time for today. Bitcoin is up, stock market's doing well, gold and precious metals are not doing super well, but whatever. Have a good one. We'll try to get another one in tomorrow, but my calendar's kind of looking more or less the same for the rest of the week. It's going to be a brutal week. I'm going to be on the phone every 30 minutes with somebody. It's going to be brutal, but my job's going to get done, and we'll have a good week ahead next week. Take care.